Hello developers, in this video we will learn about Object.keys method and Object.values method. So coming to Object.keys method, it returns an array of object properties names, that is keys. So let's discuss it with some basic example. Let's create an object named person having properties name, let's say then age, say 10, country, say India. Okay, so we have created an object named person with three properties name, age and country. Okay, so now we will use Object.keys method to get the keys of person object. Okay, so and we will store that in keys variable. Object.keys, and inside keys we will mention person object. Okay, now if we print keys, then we will get the keys of this person object. So can you guess the output? We will check the output in the terminal. We will go to this object methods directory, and inside that Object_keys values. So the output will be all the keys in the array. So it is returning an array with all the keys. Okay. So now we are coming to Object.values method. We will comment this code. Let's go to Object.values method. So Object.values, it returns an array of object properties values. But in case of Object.keys, it returns keys, and in Object.values, it will return values of the object, property values object. Let's see it with some example. Let's take the same example. Const person object, and here instead of keys we need to fetch the values. Object.values, then person object. So can you guess the output here in this case? So output will be all the values. So we have used Object.values method to get the values of the person object. So this is the concept of Object.keys and Object.values method in JavaScript.